Alright, these some sample inequality problems. Part 1. Here you have a problem. You solve it like an equation. Subtract 5x from both sides. Add 8. And divide by -3. Now the one thing different, when you divide or multiply an inequality by a negative, you switch the order. So this becomes x is greater than -3. We draw the graph. Circle on -3, greater than to the right. We do the interval notation, -3 to +3. Now this is the inequality. -3 is less than 2x plus 4, and 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to 8. We solve this one. We divide by 2, and we read that as x is greater than -7/2. Over here, subtract 4, divide by 2, and we have that. Now for the graph, seven halves is 3.5, so x is greater than -3.5. That's that. X is less than or equal to 2. That's that. And is where they overlap. They overlap from here to here. And the interval notation is parentheses -3.5, comma, 2, bracket. And then we have absolute value. The absolute value of x being less than 2 means that x is less than 2 and x is greater than -2. How do you graph that? X is less than 2 is this, greater than -2 is this, and is where they overlap. And that is from -2 to 2. X is greater than 3. That says x is greater than 3. And if it's greater than, we have an or. X is less than -3. So what does that give me? Greater than 3 is this. Less than -3 is that. Or we use both of them. In the interval notation, -30 and -3, union 3 to +30. So we have a complete one here. It's a less than, so it's 2x minus 3 is less than 5, and 2x minus 3 is greater than -5. Add 3, divide by 2, we have that. Add 3, divide by 2, graph them, x is less than 4 and greater than -1, and is where they overlap. So they overlap from -1 to 4. We have that. Here we have this, that's greater than, so it's 4 minus 2x greater than or equal to 3. Greater than makes it or, less than or equal to -3. Subtract 4, divide by -2. When you do that, you change the inequality. So x is less than or equal to 1/2. Here subtract 4, divide by -2, change the inequality. So now we have less than or equal to 1/2, that's that. Greater than or equal to 3.5, that's that. Or has both of them. And the interval notation is -30 to 1/2 bracket union 7 halves, comma, positive.